Hello, hello! If you would like to join me for a planner accessories unboxing, definitely something new for me and maybe for you too, then stay tuned. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna do an unboxing of this, but I thought, why not? So I wanted to show you guys and have you get my first impressions of this planner accessory that I purchased. And there's a number of them in here. I kind of went a little crazy, but you will see when I open it. This is something that is custom made. It's something that's sort of like in the alley of something that I have been practicing myself, which I am not very good at, I will have to say quite honestly, but you'll see when I open it. But it's something that really brings me joy. And one of the things for me, for my planner, is to have it become a place of joy when I am going to it. This is my B6 Lavender from Vanderspeck, and look at the purple deliciousness that this is. It's just so beautiful. I absolutely love coming to this planner, and it really does bring me joy, just the cover. And I know that sounds like really weird, but I'm kind of like, I always used to be big on bags, and then Corona. And so then it was like, what's the point of having all these expensive bags? I just want a crossbody because I don't want my bags touching anything. And then, it really just dawned on me how much I really do enjoy a good, fine leather. And I can get that with my planners now. So, and I have been, purchasing really nice leathers for my planners for a long time. But I also like to be able to have some bits on the inside that bring me joy as well. So I am on a bunny trail, but that's okay. Stick with me. So recently, and I had purchased some of her stuff in the past, but recently I just totally fell in love with Sterling Ink. I just love her flower aesthetic. I love the colorations that she has. It's like pretty but simple, but has some like sophisticated coloring. It's hard to describe, but it's me right now. And it may not be me 6 months from now, but right now I'm loving it. And this is just, give me all of the like neutral toned flowers and I will just be the happiest ever. So let's get into what I have to use in my planners. So I'm excited about it, as you can tell. Can you tell I'm excited? So I've seen a lot of these. They are hard to get your hands on. I will say that ahead of time. This is from planitsharr, and I think that's everything in there, so I'll move that over. So, oh, so stinking cute. So, and it's purple and I love it. I can use this tissue paper in my journal, and I can definitely use some of these. I'm so happy. Oh, I don't want to open it. It's so pretty. Okay. So, as I was saying, difficult to get your hands on. When she loads up on Etsy, you really need to have fast fingers. So that is something I figured out very quickly, and because literally her stuff can sell out in minutes, not hours, minutes. So, so this is her little business card. Oops, I dropped it. This is her business card. There is a code that she gives you, so I'm covering that up because that's my code. But that's super cute. So, okay, let's get into the packet. I'm just seeing, is there a way that I can like untie this and use it? I don't know. Oh, it's all so stinking cute. I love it. Okay. I'm clearly not very good at untying these things, as you can see. Okay. So put that aside, and I really want to make sure I can save this too, because as you can see, these are pressed flowers. So that's something that I've been doing for a while, trying to learn how to appropriately press flowers, and I've never succeeded. So, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the packaging on the inside. So cute. Oh my goodness. This must be like a freebie or something. What is this? I didn't buy this. This is cute. I love it. So she gave me that. And I was just making sure I didn't say anything. And then like a little postcard. That's really cute. Thank you so much. I love it. And then I'm just checking. Okay, that's my other stuff. So I'm gonna put that aside. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. So these are them. La! Oh my goodness. They are cute. Okay. I'm trying to contain it. I'm getting a bit overexcited about this. I know, but I'm sorry. I'm not sorry, but I'm sorry. And it comes with this, like, I don't know if it's laminated but it's, I already know what I'm going to use this for. So, oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. Look at the purple, you guys. And it has like gold flecks of foil. And then I don't know how she does this, because I'm telling you guys, I have been trying to press flowers now for months, and mine always discolor and they always end up looking like poop, and I can never get them to flatten like this beautifully. Oh, I am impressed and envious that this is not a skill that I have. So pretty. They're so pretty, and obviously y'all know me, purple is my jam. And then she custom did 2 of them for me, and she, well, at least during this release, she opened up her custom, and so you could pretty much purchase whatever with your initials. So I have, I am on the waiting list for an Elison from Vanderspec, and this one is going to be patiently awaiting for that V6 to arrive, because this will go with it perfectly, and this is beautiful. I like this here. How do you press that? It's just so, she does a really good job. I'm really impressed. It is clearly lamination, because I was wondering about that. I was thinking how you know, how did she go about doing it? It is so pretty. It is so pretty. They came out so good. Thank you so much. Ah, I love them. So I got 4 of them, and so I got 2 H's, and then these 2 were ones that she'd already had pre-listed. And like I said, these ones here sold out in less than 2 minutes. So you have to have fast fingers. I had a number of things in my cart, and they just sold out so fast that I did not actually get my hands on them. So, but I was able to snag these 2 that have purple, and I love them so much. And then she has these that she sends on the back, and I already know what I'm going to use this for. So I will keep y'all updated on how that works out for me, but I'm excited to give these a try. But yeah, so that is it. It's just a really quick, hey, here it is. planitsharr is her name. You can find her on Instagram, and her shop is on Etsy, and they are absolutely beautiful and stunning, and thank you so much. I am in love with them, and I am so excited to add them to my planner beauties. All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!